Matrix Lunar. This is a four-wheel mobility scooter, 60 volt, 20 amp hour lead acid. So you're gonna get between 40-45 kilometers per charge. Top speed's about 28-30 kilometers an hour. You've got 10x3 tubeless tires all the way around. Front and rear disc brakes, which is very nice. Lights, signals. So you've got your lights, daytime, nighttime, high beam, low beam, signals, speed control, first, second, and third. So it's gonna be about 15 kilometers an hour, 20, 25, and then the max of 30. Reverse, drive, and because it doesn't have a motor brake to it, it's always in neutral, but there is a way to put a brake on. So you pull this lever forward or towards you, and there's a little pin right here. So we're gonna push that pin up, and now it's in park. You just pull that forward or pull that towards you, and that will release the brake. So good suspension, crash bars if you need them, no alarm system, but you do have two forms of storage. Same key opens up your storage here, and then you have a lockable under the seat. And there's a little bit of storage there. There's your breaker, and then your batteries underneath there. Seat's adjustable. It's got a lever on this side here. So the bottom stays stationary, and then you pull this and the back can come up. That's as far as that goes, and then it goes whoop all the way back. Fully assembled. We can ship them across Canada on a pallet if you like, and they come with a 1-year warranty. We've got brown, blue, red, white, and they are a fantastic sale. Now you know.